Introduction to Mocking and Stubbing.
Mocking and stubbing are important techniques in software testing. They help programmers control, isolate, and test parts of code without depending on real external systems. These techniques make tests more reliable and faster by simulating the behavior of complex or unpredictable components. Understanding when and how to use mocks and stubs is helpful for writing clear and effective tests.
What is a stub?
A stub is a simplified object or function that returns predetermined outputs regardless of input. Stubs are used to replace parts of a system to control test conditions. For example, a stub might simulate a database call by returning fixed data, so your test doesn't need a real database. Stubs are ideal for testing your code in isolation from external dependencies.
What is a mock?
A mock is a more advanced version of a stub. Beyond returning set data, mocks can also track how they were used, remembering which functions were called, in what order, and with what arguments. This lets you check not just what your code returns, but also how your code interacts with other pieces of the system.
When to use mocks and stubs?
Use stubs when you want to replace a dependency but only care about specific return values. Use mocks when you also want to verify that your code interacts with dependencies in the correct way. For example, if you need to check whether a function sends an email, a mock can confirm that the email send function was triggered with the expected data.
Benefits of mocking and stubbing.
Using mocks and stubs helps you write tests that are more focused, faster, and more reliable. They allow you to test code in isolation, avoid slow or flaky external calls, and clearly verify your code's behavior. Learning to use these techniques well is a valuable skill for any software developer interested in improving testing practices.